Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to increase power in Evony. Increasing power in Evony is connected to almost every part of the game, including troops, buildings, research, and generals. Power is shown near your profile and represents your overall progress. One of the best ways to increase power is by upgrading your buildings. Try to upgrade your structures evenly instead of focusing only on your keep. While the keep controls progression, upgrading other buildings first makes future upgrades faster and boosts your power steadily. Next, focus on research inside the academy. Prioritize military, defense, and advancement research, and always keeps research running to maximize progress. Another major contributor to power is developing your generals. You can increase their levels using experience books, battles, or upgrades, which directly adds to your total power. By consistently upgrading buildings, completing research, and strengthening generals, your overall power will increase naturally as you progress through the game. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.